What's up guys, your boy BG here. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you some cars I picked up from Whatnot. I picked these up for about $2 a piece plus shipping. They're kind of vintage, so these are cars I'm not going to find anywhere. And I'm trying to focus on Challengers and Chargers, guys. So without further ado, let's get started. First one up is this awesome 1970 Dodge Charger RT in purple. It's got the chrome 5-spoke wheels, exposed engine, chrome interior. No details up front or on the back, but it's a car I had to have, guys. I'm trying to focus on these pieces, as I said earlier. So let's move on to the next one. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona in a cherry red, black interior, 5-spoke chrome wheels. It's got the cool white stripe on the side, Dodge decal here, Hot Wheels decal right there, and it's got the Daytona decal inside this large thick white stripe here, and it's got some matching white stripes on the hood and on the top, and it's got this large wing right here. Very cool. Next one up is this 1969 Dodge Charger 500 in purple, black interior, 5-spoke chrome wheels. It's got the Hemi meatball decals on the doors, a nice white stripe here, and it goes all the way to the other side. No details up front. It does have the turn signal details here, and it's got the Hot Wheels decal next to the fender. So there we go, guys. Next one up is another 1969 Dodge Charger 500. This one comes in a candy apple blue, black interior, also has the 5-spoke chrome wheels. It's got the Hemi meatball decals on the doors, the white stripe here. So now I have it in both colors, purple and blue. Next one up is this 1970 Dodge Charger RT. This one comes in a lime green, chrome interior. It's got the black stripe here and another one here. It's got the RT decal inside that little black stripe there, exposed engine, 5-spoke chrome wheels. No detail up front or on the back, but it's still a very nice looking casting, guys. Next one up is another 1969 Dodge Charger. This one comes in a cherry red, black interior, 5-spoke chrome wheels. It's got the black hockey stripe here on the side, and it goes around the other side, and it's got another one down here. It's got the RT decal inside the black stripe here, and it's got detailed door handles, and it's got some black thick black stripes on the hood to match these little hockey stripes here. No details on the back or on the front, but must have for me, guys. Next one up is this awesome Chevy Camaro concept. This one comes in a very nice yellow black interior, 5-spoke chrome wheels. It's got the buckle decal here, and it's got the Hot Wheels decal back there just above the fender, and it's got some matching decals on the hood. Not much detail on the front or the back, but overall it's still a very nice looking casting. Next one up is this cool Ford Mustang Fastback. This one comes in a light red. I've never seen this particular one before, guys. Look at all the white stripes it has on the sides, on the top. Light gray interior, the H5 chrome wheels, 289 decal inside the white stripe there. It's got the pony decal here, and it's got the Hot Wheels decal there. No details on the front with the exception of the grille, and no detail on the back either. But overall, guys, very nice. The seller also threw in another 1969 Dodge Charger 500, so I have two of them now. Don't know if there's any differences at all, but it's good to have two of them. So that is that. The seller also threw in another 1969 Dodge Charger 500. So this one I'm definitely going to crack open. So you can see the card is busted. I do have this one in good condition, or fairly good condition. So there's that. All right guys, and last but not least, I picked up this cool Renault Sport RS01. I was hoping to find it in store, but I am not that lucky. Plus, I have not had much time to go out and hunt anymore, guys. I've been focusing on other things. So this comes in an awesome Spectra Flame Red. It's got some cool decal white wheels, black interior. Very underrated super for 2023. In my opinion, this is top 5. Some of you may agree, some of you may not agree, but that is fine. It's got a small Renault decal on the side of the wing there. And it says Renault on the top of the wing. So very, very cool. And there is the, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a super, guys. And that is all I have for you today. As I said, guys, I have not had much time to go out and hunt. I wanted to share these cool additions that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.